Alrighty, another day, another employ for the beast. This is the box. I'm going to see if I can't unbox this thing. A little idea of what it is. This is a box of parts. And if you haven't guessed already, it is the folding 8 rack. This is it. Really nice piece. It will mount to, I'll call them auxiliary tubes on the rear roll cage. And where I already have the Canam trunk that sort of folds up or flips up and has a little strut that holds it up, this is a perfect complement to it, because this will also mount sort of like this, but it will also flip up and let me still access my rear storage box easily. This is a standard rack that you would find on the back of any Canam ATV, the Outlander style ATVs for sure, and big enough to stick any of the storage box. Has a link mounts in it, and it's also got this little piece up here that you can strap down or hold in a spare tire and strap it onto your rack, so which is kind of nice. It's a really nice product. Looking forward to installing this thing. Here's the 2 struts right there. This is just the rack itself. It's not on right now. It will be going on. There's some screws here, and that sort of thing. Might as well unbag and unbox it, I guess. These are the 2 struts. This is the actual rack itself. Down here is going to be a couple pieces that mount onto it for link mounts. On the down tubes, there's going to be a couple of brackets with the link holes in them. And I'm going to lay this over here, give you an idea what else is in here. What do we have here? These are the actual link brackets I'm talking about, or the link mounts. You can buy these separate from Canam for mounting on different boxes. They lock and unlock like so. These are pretty slick. These have 2 screw holes in them, and you can literally buy these individually. Take that in my hand before I cut myself, and put them on pretty much your own, any box or any other rack accessory, whatever you want that you want. And if I can demonstrate, these could fit in like so, and then when you do this, it's actually a really tight lock. And that's the little lock mechanism up there. And you turn it. So we got a couple of those, a couple of set screws there. Got a whole bag of different nuts and bolts, washers, and usual setup. These are a couple of pieces that go on the ends for the pivots. Got those on the floor too. Okay, that's how we roll. Okay, I know what these are. These are the 2 little upper mounting parts onto the elbows, if you want to call that, of the. Okay, a couple of these puppies. These go up on the sort of the ends of these up on the elbows. I just quickly glanced at the instructions. I didn't look at the whole thing. I'm not sure where these go. Anyways, we're here. Oh, cool. I didn't realize you got a ratchet strap with this center circle in it, which you can strap your tire down with, which is kind of nice. I didn't realize they included that. Awesome.
I'm surprised Canam don't charge you an extra 70 or 80 bucks for one of those.
So these are some brackets that clamp onto the tubing of the roll cage. This one here will be on your down tube like that when this rack comes down, and then you latch it so it stays tight. You do this on one side, do this on the other side, the whole thing pivots up. And these look like the back ends or the undersides for those that, so you have a top half, that's a link mount on it, the bottom half, these go around the tube like so. They bolt tight. and your rack will be sitting over here and would pivot down, lock into it, and unlock it, and pivot up. So that's it for the unboxing. I will be installing this over the next day or two when I get some time. Thanks for tuning in, guys.